Best architecture sets. Iconic skylines for builders and collectors. As mechanical keyboards grow in popularity among gamers and typists, so does the love for high-detail hobbies like Lego architecture sets. These sets appeal to fans of architecture, travel, and creative design. Whether you're decorating your desk or diving into a rewarding build, this list: Lego Architecture Skylines, Dubai 21052 Building Kit. Celebrate futuristic design and bold skylines with the Lego Architecture Dubai 21052 set. Featuring landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, Jumeirah Emirates Towers Hotel, and the Dubai Frame, this build captures the modern marvels of the Middle East in stunning Lego detail. With 740 pieces, it offers a satisfying build experience for intermediate to advanced Lego fans. The contrasting heights and sleek lines make it a striking display piece for desks.
List number: Lego Architecture Statue of Liberty 2142. A must-have for patriots and architecture enthusiasts alike. The Lego Statue of Liberty 2142 brings one of America's most iconic symbols to life in over 1,685 pieces. The detailing on Lady Liberty's robes, pedestal, and crown is surprisingly intricate, creating a realistic and imposing miniature of the real monument. Standing over 17 inches tall, this set is an excellent centerpiece for any Lego collection.
List number: Lego Architecture New York City Skyline Model Kit. The Lego New York City Skyline offers a compact yet beautifully detailed representation of the Big Apple. With 598 pieces, it includes miniature models of the Empire State Building, One World Trade Center, the Statue of Liberty, and more. This set strikes the perfect balance between a quick build and a beautiful final product. Its horizontal design makes it ideal for shelf or desk display, and it's suitable for ages 12 and up. Whether you're gifting it to a New York City lover or decorating your office, this set is a charming reminder of one of the world's most iconic cities.
List number: Lego Architecture Paris Skyline Model Building Set. Bring a piece of Paris into your home with the Lego Paris Skyline set, which includes landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, and the Louvre. With 649 pieces, this set blends romantic and classical architecture, creating a stunning panoramic view of the City of Light. The Eiffel Tower, though miniaturized, stands out as the centerpiece, and the subtle color choices reflect Paris's sophisticated aesthetic.
List 5: Lego Architecture London Skyline 21034. The London Skyline set captures Britain's capital with beautiful representations of Big Ben, the London Eye, Tower Bridge, and more. With 468 pieces, this kit is a great entry point into Lego architecture for beginners and casual builders. While simpler than some others, it still offers detail and satisfaction. The London Eye is especially clever in design, using creative building techniques to mimic its iconic form. Compact and elegant, this model fits beautifully on a bookshelf or office desk.